Good afternoon, Todd Rothstein, Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine. And I'm here on Route 25, Main Street, Gorham, and behind me is actually the Gorham House of Pizza building where there was a fire last night. Apparently there was a fan burnt out in a bathroom and started an electrical fire and took up most of the upstairs. So we're helping out right now. We've trying to close in the building before there's some storms coming this weekend, and we're working with the town Gorham. They've got a boom lift for us, so we're trying to get that roof closed in before the bad winds and weather come. As you can see, that fire got up into the attic space from the upstairs bathroom. Looks like it really did some damage last night. We've already closed in some of these windows here, as you can see. Our guys are up working with the fire department right there, working the boom lift, and we're just putting some tarps right now just to close in some of the bigger holes. And around the other side, we are closing in some of the windows right now. So you can see, once that fire gets up into the attic, cleared out most of the right side, carried across to the other front of the building. And so the fire department had to do their diligence. Inside the restaurant looks pretty good, just a lot of water damage from above. On this side here, you can see how the flames just engulfed the attic. And right up there, Bruce Violet from our team is up there closing in the windows right now on a lift. And once we get all these windows secured, we'll try to close in the building. So for now, at least, it won't take on any more damage from the weather. So for now, this is Todd Rothstein, Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine, just trying to help out in the community on this Earth Day weekend. Thank you. So just trying to screw off those, just trying to close that in right up top. Making sure that weather gets at least somewhat weather tight. It's not going to do perfect. So the guys have closed in 2 of the major holes so far with some tarps, and what they'll do is later they'll go inside the building and put some strapping on the inside, so those tarps, if they get too wet, they won't cave in and obviously defeat the purpose of trying to close in those holes. Now they're trying to just get that one large hole covered with the remaining tarp. That's a big piece there. They'll do all right after they pick it back up. Actually just taking a look at what's left on the inside. There's
nothing left.
Yeah, huh?
It was my home, man. I can't even get the shit that I had.
Wow. It definitely, the floor below is just completely saturated, completely. Here's the upper floor. It's just completely a mess, to say the least. These are apartments up here. So everything is, this is what fire will do. And just by a bathroom fan, so, and short circuiting. So just imagine how fast things can happen. Simple, but devastating. Gotta be careful where I walk. And once that fire has enough material to burn with air combination, it's pretty hard to stop. So, just gonna head back downstairs. A lot of the floors totally burned through, broken through. If you could see it. Looks like a bomb hit it, literally. So it's going to be a challenge to keep it closed in for now and somewhat weather tight until they can make a decision before there's more damage just from the weather.
Oh, it's my living room. This is the living room!